Hey, so you're looking for a quick and easy tool that you can use to make videos to connect with your students as well as provide instruction. Screencastify is a great way to actually make those videos, and it allows for you to edit prior to, say, shipping or exporting out to Google Classroom or YouTube or even Edpuzzle. So the beauty of Screencastify is that there's a built-in recorder. The recorder actually allows for you to make videos as long as you want, but I'm going to talk about time limits in a second, as well as the video editing software, which allows for you to edit, merge, and polish all your videos prior to shipping out. There's also Submit, which I've been playing around quite a bit. I like it. It's a new product. It allows for you to actually have students collectively in Google Classroom send in videos that they use, say, based on reflection questions or essential questions that you develop. Now, to get started, all you need to do is you go to the Google App Store, and you search Screencastify. So you go to the Google App Store and you search Screencastify, or you can just go to this link here and I'm going to provide that to you. So I'll just give you that link. You're going to use the redeeming code CAST_COVID, all caps, CAST_COVID. That's going to give you the more robust package, all right, the unlimited package, which allows you to have all those editing features and bells and whistles, which you really don't even need. And also allows for you to record longer videos, which I don't recommend. Okay, so for Screencastify, a couple of things that I recommend that you do, all right? Make it simple. So use your slides, your Google Slides, all right, to guide you in your presentation, but make it really simple and chunk it up, just like any lesson you have during your normal brick and mortar classroom. You want to chunk it up, like really chunk it up. Incorporate those stop think questions, incorporate essential questions, all right? Also, rehearse out loud prior to actually recording your video. Don't be shy, be yourself, like be a little silly, incorporate humor, routines, whatever, just be yourself. And also time is really important. Keep it under 9 minutes. If you go over 3 to 5 minutes, your student engagement is going to go down significantly. I'm going to show that to you in a second in terms of research, but it's going to go down significantly. So keep it under 9 minutes. Also, use that embedded, use that embedded camera to show your face, because kids really are going to connect with you if you show your face. So show your face, even though how awkward it might be, show your face because kids will connect with you. A lot of research supports that as well. Speak quickly and enthusiastically. So speak fast, little faster than normal, and really accentuate your words. So enthusiasm is really important. Use the highlighter and pen to engage, and you're going to see that like down here. You can see my highlighter and my pen. All right, you can use that to really engage, right? There's my pen, all right, et cetera, et cetera. I definitely recommend that because it just makes it more interactive. The more interactive it is, the better. Okay, so again, just keep it under that not 5 minute mark. 3 to 5 minutes is really important, so make sure you do that. All right, I will make sure you have all content. I'll post this on Google Classroom, and then you can use this later. So I'll share this with you. Okay, I hope this helps. All right, bye. That's my Zoom meeting in the background. Oops.